Polestar's O2 convertible concept will be produced. Polestar announced the model in March and is now accepting online bookings for build slots. The Polestar 6 is 4 years away, but the manufacturer is sharing specifics now. The convertible will feature the automaker's 800-volt EV architecture and unique aluminum platform. The platform will support the Polestar 5, which will have 884 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. The carmaker wants the convertible to reach 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds and 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour. Polestar will offer 500 LA Concept Edition SXS in 4 years. These will have sky blue exterior paint, light leather inside, and 21-inch wheels. Polestar CEO Thomas Ingenlath wanted to produce the concept earlier this summer but was unsure how easy it would be. In a few years, the manufacturer will put the concept into production. The ultimate product should appear like the amazing concept if it's like past Polestar concepts.